The ambassadors of the air. The Air Force has the Thunderbirds, the Navy, the Blue Angels, and the Air National Guard is no exception. They just take a grassroots approach.
Tell you what, it's a great day for an air show. I'm absolutely having a blast.
Though he seems out of control at times, aerobatic pilot John Klatt knows he's in total control.
About 4 or 5 years ago, I began discussing how I could benefit the Air National Guard and get the recruiters the visibility that they deserve. Get them out front, get them out in the center of the air show.
The weather looks beautiful. It held off. Tell you what, come by and see what the 102nd recruiters can do for you.
He comes in, he's a performer. They bring a lot of products with them. They bring a simulator, they bring a mobile recruiting unit, and that's helping us to get our name out there.
So I'm just really excited to represent the best recruiters in the armed forces at 20 of the best air shows around the nation. So it's awesome.
How was it?
Awesome!
We had probably a 1 to 2 hour line for that flight simulator all day long. We can get them here, get them in the MRU and put their leads in the system, answer any questions they have, and I think it's going to pay great dividends.
I'm really excited to go on an incentive flight this afternoon with him. A little nervous about it.
Well, this morning, John took me up in the airplane. It's one of those things that you work your whole career to finally actually get to experience.
Great job. Do a little loop action. Prove it better than flying Southwest.
I've never done anything like that in my life.
You're cracking me up.
You like it, huh?
Yes.
Being a member of the Guard has made my dreams come true.